This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Great location in Thoroughgood with excellent schools. Close to town center, NAB, with lots of shopping and restaurants nearby. Well-maintained 3-bedroom townhome with attached garage. Spacious floor plan with living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Spacious fenced backyard with extra privacy and patio. Quick occupancy available. Move-in date August 15, 2023. Application and credit approval required. For more information, review the details below.